Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let y equals y of x be the solution of the differential equation this. So, we have to solve this differential equation. And then they have given this situation. So, why they have given this situation? To find out the arbitrary constant c, and then the required value is y of 3 whole square. Means in place of x you have to replace it with 3 and then go with square. Okay, so let's do it. For that we have to solve this differential equation. So look at the differential equation. So it goes this way. So e power x root 1 minus y square dx. I will send this thing that side. So we have minus of y by x dy. Now what I will do, I will keep x thing one side and y thing another side, and dx and dy will be on the numerator forever. Now so look at here. So can I write x times e power x dx is equal to y by root over 1 minus y square dy, and already we have minus. Okay, I hope things are clear. Now we have segregated x and y, so we can apply variable separable over here. Now look at this, what I am trying to do. Now I want to go with integration, as we have already segregated them, so we can respond accordingly. Now look at this, we have one function and one function. So can I apply UV rule over here? Okay, integration by parts. Okay, so for that I can use we can use ILATE, है ना, ILATE. So we have algebraic function, exponential function. So exponential function is here, algebraic function is here. So first function will be taken as x. So can I write first function integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function whole integration second function. Okay, so this is LHS is done. Now go with RHS. If you'll observe, I feel that we are having problem with the denominator. Okay, so what I will do, I will take that thing as, like, we are having problem with 1 minus y square, and I feel that we have problem with root as well. So can I take 2 square? So z square, we will get rid of this denominator part as well as root. Everything will be neutralized. Now go with differentiation. So we will differentiate with respect to y. Okay, I hope things are clear. So we have 2z dz by dy equals minus 2y. Now look at this. We have y, we have dy, and we have minus. And this 2 gone. So can I write like z dz upon, like if you will replace 1 minus y square with z square, you will be having z. So this thing gone. Now let's do the integration. So we got x, integration of e power x is e power x minus differentiation, this thing will become 1. So we have e power x first differentiation, again we have e power x second differentiation. So we got e power x, and then we got z, and then we got integration constant c. I hope things are clear. Now we have given question in x and y, but we have introduced z, so we have to replace z. So who is z? Look at here. Can I write e power x x minus 1 is equal to, who is z? Z is root over 1 minus y square. From here you can take value of z plus integration constant c. So this is our function. Now we have to calculate integration constant c. So how we will respond to that part? We will use this idea. So the given curve will satisfy 1 comma minus 1. So in place of x we will be writing 1, in place of y we will be writing minus 1. So look at this. So if you will be writing in place of x, if you will be writing 1, this thing will become 0 and it will make everything on the left hand side 0. So 0. In place of y, if you will be writing minus 1, so minus 1 ka square will become 1. 1 minus 1, 0 plus c. So the value of c becomes what? 0. Okay. So can I say that our proper function becomes e power x, x minus 1 equals root over 1 minus y square. So this is our proper function. Okay. Now what is required means we have to find out y function, we have to find, and then we have to respond. So for y, I feel that first you have to do square. Correct? So look at this. So can I write e power x means I am doing squaring both sides, and we have x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 minus y square. So can I take y square this side? So y square is equal to 1 minus e power x whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Now who is this y? Can I write y as f of x? Cos square. Y can be replaced with f of x, no? So we can do that. So we got our function. Now what we have to do? We have to replace x with 3. Y of x is equal to like function f of x. Okay. Now look at this. So we have to replace x with 3. So look at this, what will happen. So we got required value is equal to means f of 3 whole square is equal to 1 minus e power 3 power 2. So power to the power will be multiplied. So e power 6. And then 3 minus 1 is what? 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 ka square is 4. So therefore the required value is this 1 minus 4 times e power 6. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.